Alright. I need you to record me too, cause you can put this on Facebook. Yeah, we about to go ahead and document this storm. That's the right there, you know. We go ahead and bring out a documentary of Hurricane Irene from Farragut houses, you know, Brooklyn, New York, downtown. So come on, let's go ahead and do this real quick. Ain't much going on. It's about to be the calm of the storm.
Hello YouTube, this is pt2 16.
Oh, watch out for the pee-pee.
Me and my nephew right now, we're gonna go look at the one.
You know what I'm saying? We doing our all news cash. Okay, here we go. Yeah, we on the front lines. We on the front lines. Look everywhere. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You can't really see nothing right now.
Yeah.
It's not all that crazy. You know, this is like what you call this? Hold on, yo. Alright, how y'all doing? Talk to the locals. We'll talk to the locals.
Still is shit cool. Nigga, they sleep drunk out.
Y'all ready to watch the storm? Y'all ready to watch the storm?
I wanna see her. 40 years, I wanna see her.
Yeah.
What's she at? Been looking for her.
Watch the storm. Watch the storm drop. Got the wind blowing. Got the wind blowing. Got some winds. Got some winds. Let me get your news clippings. Let me get you. Where we at? That look nice. Got the windows. Got the window. Oh, I stopped it?
Yeah.
Oh, my bad. Did it save it?
Yeah.
Alright. What you guys say about this right here, Dustin?
Once I see some trees blowing, like some big trees right there, I'm gonna be out.
Alright, we're gonna be out. Alright, right now we're gonna go ahead and end this forecast. We'll be back. We'll be back for some more.